Hello, hello everyone. Today I will be seeing a review about a product that I ordered on Amazon recently. It's a tarot deck. I purchased this one, the Animal Alleys. What drawn to me was it talks about the animals, insects, and crystals and their significance around us. I thought this deck would help me to find a new insight upon about animals and their messages and crystals, because many of us use them but don't know the actual uh, or we can use it to a maximum potential. Also, when I implicate these in the readings, I thought it would help me to read about the energy that I'm picking up. So I received the package today. Let's open it. Oh, oh wow. Okay, it's very good packaging. Uh, this is going to take some while. Uh, okay, got it. Okay, let's. Oh wow. Okay, this doesn't come with a book currently, so I think it's just the cards. Wow, these are so wide as well. Okay, it comes with a starting greeting card. I think, yeah, it's just the make greetings from the animal alleys and the gemstone guardians. So, shuffle the deck, randomly choose a card, read the gemstone side of the card, contemplate how the questions and statements relate to your life, and turn the card over to discover the matching animal and the affirmation on the other side of the card. So I guess anybody could resonate with this, if even if you're not a professional tarot reader. If you buy this and if you have any questions in your mind, I think anybody can use it. So I think that's also a purpose of this deck. It's really beautiful. I really like the quality of the cards, but it's just too wide for me, I feel that. So we have the wolf. I find comfort in harmony of my pack. So each card comes with an animal and a crystal on the back side. Wow. I think this deck is about 44. Yeah, 44 cards. I remember. Is it 44 or 48? Hmm. Let me see the description. I'm checking. Yeah, it's 44. So, peacock. Wow. I think I can shuffle these two. Oh. Okay. So I think this is about it. This is my review upon the cards. I don't believe I can show everything, but it's quite nice. It's perfect for beginners and as well as individual users. So I think any random question you can ask, and then if you pull out a card and make sure it resonates with you. So the each question on each card makes you realizes it makes you to ask something. It makes you to answer from your intuition, and I think this brings out the inner soul for the answers. So I believe it's perfect for anybody. So these are the cards. If you're interested, you can buy them. It's available on Amazon. So hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.